Hey y'all, Nikki Brown here. So it is the summertime and you may have a taste for a baked potato. So instead of baking it, I have another option for you. Of course, as always, you want to start by cleaning your potato really well. You can even add a little soap. I like to use the Dr. Bronner's, but if you have Dawn or whatever, Palmolive, whatever you can use that too. Or fruit and vegetable wash, whatever you have. Right, you just want to clean it really well. Get some of that dirt off of it. Right. Okay, all clean. It's had its bath. And then you want to put it in a pot of water and boil it, right? So you still get that baked potato taste, flavor, and consistency without actually turning your oven on, because it's already hot and we haven't technically reached summer. We're still in spring technically. Especially here in Georgia, it's definitely hot. So if you don't want to turn your oven on but you still want that baked potato taste, go ahead and boil your potato. Now, once my potato is done boiling, which will take, it doesn't take as much time as actually turning on the oven and baking the potato. And I'm going to put the lid on my cast iron pot because it does trap in the heat and help it cook faster. Then I'm going to add this plant-based steak by Mrs. Goldfarb's Unreal Deli and spinach on top. So that's what we have today.